So okay guys, from today onwards we will start with the HTML tags. Okay, so HTML stands for hypertext markup language. Okay, so let's move with the code. We'll start with the Visual Studio Code. Okay, first we'll start with Visual Studio Code. Okay, so this is the tool where we develop our web pages. Okay, where we write the HTML code. So when this loads, we can start writing the HTML tags. Okay, what I do, I'll press Ctrl N. Okay, new page. Okay, so before writing, I'll save this untitled page to the simple web page.html. Okay, I save it as a simple web page.html. Okay, all right, so now we start writing the code for the HTML page. First we'll begin with the lesser than sign, exclamatory, then doc type. Okay, doc type HTML. Okay, all right, after that we have HTML tag. Okay, see this one, it automatically takes. Okay, then in the HTML we have the head tag. Okay, this one. Okay, in the head we have a title tag. Okay, title. Okay, we write the title for the web page. All right, so title of the web page is